I made this simple voice controlled door opener and closer. Google door down. Google door up. Now the workings for this controller: two simple Wi-Fi control relays and a micro switch. The micro switch is controlled by the arm that goes up and down with the door, and the output is connected across where the buttons connect for the button control of the door. The circuit: simple, two Wi-Fi connected relays, micro switch, and that's connected across the push button for the door. The switches are going through EWI-Link and Google Home with Google Assistant to change the voice controls, and that's it.